here's the problem. It's 2 words is why the World Series is still going on. A guy named Chase Utley. He's got 4 home runs in the World Series. He had 2 last night. He had 4 RBIs. He's just kicking ass. He's having the kind of World.
Is he the one that he's tied Reggie's?
No, Reggie had 5.
Okay.
And Babe Ruth had 5 once.
Okay.
What position is Chase Utley play?
He plays second base, number 26. He's a lefty.
Go ahead.
He's got 5 home runs, by the way, already. That's tying the record.
Oh, wait a minute. No, he's got 4.
5.
No, he got 5.
Oh, he's got 5.
That's
right.
right. I heard somebody tied Reggie's
Right.
record.
He's got 5. So now he's tied. God, I blocked that out, I think. He's got 5, which ties the World Series record for most homers in a series. And,
So he's keeping the Phils alive.
And it's only been 5 games, by the way. Reggie did it in 6. He's keeping them alive. And
so he knocked in. Did he knock in a home run that drove in 3 runs?
Oh yeah.
So was the score 3-0 early on?
No, the score was 1-0 early on.
No, it was early on. It was
Early
first
on?
inning was 3-0, and then in the third
Fred,
inning
wait a
they
second.
scored 3 more.
Hold it a second. Fred.
Early.
Because Artie's confused.
No. I know what I'm talking
No,
about.
let me ask Fred something.
Okay, go ahead.
Let me ask him one question.
How do you get on Google?
Now, Fred, what was the score initially? 3-0 Phils?
Yeah, it was 3-0 Phils.
No, it wasn't.
I thought the Yankees scored.
The Yankees
first.
scored first.
Yankees.
Oh,
It was
Yankees
1-0
scored first.
Yankees.
But then they came back and they got
now
3.
I don't know who to go to.
Now go to me.
I just want to know the simple.
Jimmy Kimmel knows Fred doesn't know what happened last night.
Jimmy Kimmel was right.
No, okay. I just remember. I was out at a restaurant having dinner, and the Yankees, A-Rod doubled in a run. 1-0.